This video this morning is for laptop style users, not traditional desktop users, and it's a power options setting that you might want to check, because if you don't have this power options setting set correctly, it means that your memory when you reboot may not be properly cleared. And for any of you who are working on more heavier models, heavier drawings, you'll know that Solidworks draws on that memory, and if it's not properly cleared, you can get some performance issues that can be like really irritating. Slow up the machine, things get laggy, funny things happen. So this is kind of a good one to check, and let me just show you where you can do that, where this power options is. So if you go down to search and then pull up control panel, so type in control panel and then you'll get control panel up here, and go to hardware and sounds, and then go under power options, change what the power buttons do. Click on that. You'll see there's a setting down here called turn on fast startup, and it's a recommended setting, basically, so it's when your laptop will reboot quickly, and that's something of an accolade for the for whatever machine you're using. So the problem with it is that it doesn't clear your memory properly for Solidworks when you do your reboot, and that's part of what you're sacrificing when you do a fast startup. So you need to untick that box, and then there's another box that there's another way rather you can check on whether this is possibly a problem on your machine if you've been getting some issues, is to open up the Solidworks RX. So if you've not used Solidworks RX before, it is a diagnostics checker for Solidworks, so it's a separate app. Type in Solidworks RX. I'm using in your search bar at the bottom, I'm using Solidworks 2025, so I've got Solidworks RX 2025 here. You click on that, and then you will get this screen come up, and it will probably be in the home screen like that. You want to tick on diagnostics, and you'll probably find that when you first tick on diagnostics, you'll have a red cross here, and this will all be white. It'll run the diagnostics. Hopefully you'll get a nice green tick afterwards. But what you want to look at is last reboot, which is here. So the last reboot was 2 hours ago for my machine, so it wasn't very long ago. If yours says 10 days, 20 days, 30 days ago, it may well be that, and you've rebooted your machine, of course, you haven't left your machine on all that time. It may well be that that box that I mentioned before is ticked, and therefore it's not clearing the memory properly, and Solidworks is not seeing the machine as being rebooted. So that's where you might want to do a bit of a check. If you're having some performance off issues, then I hope this might be at the cause. I hope this one might save you a little bit of stress. See you next time.